Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to save your favorite dance moves or funny moments, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, scroll through your feed or explore page to find the Instagram Reel you want to download. Tap on the reel to open it, then click Share button in the bottom right corner. This will open the Options menu. From the Options menu, select Copy Link to copy the link of the reel to your clipboard. Next, open your web browser and visit a trusted Instagram video downloader website. In the downloader website, you'll see a text box. Paste the copied reel link into this box. After pasting the link, click Download or Generate Download Link. The website will process the reel and give you options to download it. The reel will be saved to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an Instagram Reel. Just remember to respect copyright and privacy rules when downloading and sharing videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.